Yo guys, welcome back to another Kitty Crinkle YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be unboxing the Elite Series 2 Xbox controller. And basically guys, this is completely customizable. You can easily take out these thumbsticks, and also you can take out the D-pad. And you can have paddles on the back, so this is just a really helpful controller. And it's like top of the line right now. So let's just get into it, guys. So guys, we're just going to take off this packaging, and I'm only able to do this with one hand right now because the other hand is recording, so this is going to be extremely hard, guys. But if we could just get this open right there and right here, boom, guys, we can just take this off, and we have the Elite Series 2 core. So let's open it up. The Elite Series 2 controller. Right there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. There's nothing else in this box, so we got the Elite Series 2 right here. Oh, damn. You guys can see it's got these little switches. I don't really know what they do, if I'm going to be honest. But they're there. This grip is incredible. You can just tell how nice this controller is. It'd be kind of hard to play claw like this. You'd have to... We'll see how it works. But yeah, this is the Elite Series 2, guys. Let's see if we can find where the paddles are. Is it under? Maybe. Is this it?